Try these 15 knee push-ups, beginner arm and chest workout for fast result. This will surely tone your arm and chest in no time if you do this daily. So let's get ready for knee push-ups 50 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. You have successfully completed the exercise. Do this workout every day and you will surely see the results in no time. Stay tuned with Health App and see you tomorrow.